Germinates is a breakthrough network affiliate marketing and e-commerce software that will skyrocket your business to the moon. People start online businesses to make money. They sign up for the financial freedom coupon they were promised. Introduction. You know, the choice to do what you want, when you want, fill in your dreams here. The truth is, making money online is actually pretty simple, and only when you know you know. Easy pizza, right? And although the basics haven't changed, almost all marketers, both new and experienced, don't have the resources or shortcuts to break through. Whether that's making your first $5 or scaling to job replacing multiple income. Look here. You have not been given a fair chance. While every other day you hear more stories about more people making money, reaching your goals still feels like more of a dream than a feasibility. So what do? It's actually pretty easy. You bombard the roadblocks to profit. There are many issues that could be holding you back while you are not seeing the green light. Some technical, some knowledge-based. Isn't it? A common roadblock is the lack of tools required for converting cold traffic into daily leads and affiliate commissions. So what's the secret to bombarding these roadblocks? Germinates help you create an infinite scalable affiliate network powered by automation, real-time data reporting, and unique features. Creating a more complex affiliates program for your business is easy with Germinates. Manage multiple affiliate programs, track affiliate partners' performance, assign commissions. Upload your products to the e-commerce store or use your already established business website. Let thousands of affiliates sell your products, increase sales like never before. Use the multi-level marketing features to entice your prospective partners for 20-level deep recurring residual income. Affiliate Management System Tool is the best tool to promote your online business product/service with your affiliates and track many actions like product clicks, web clicks, store sales, recurring services, form leads, registrations, and many more actions that you can track and pay commission to your affiliates by helping you boost your business to the next level. You will manage all you need in one place and with no limitation. Create your affiliate program and offer it to anyone. It can be your clients, friends, or anyone ready to market and share your products/services everywhere to boost your sales. Your part is to share a commission from your profit. Affiliate Management Tools. Support external integration and internal integrations. Support PHP sites integration. Support JavaScript sites integration. Support ASP.NET sites integration. Support HTML sites integration. Support WooCommerce sites integration. Support WooCommerce sites integration. Support Magento sites integration. Support PrestaShop sites integration. Support Codenator sites integration. Support Laravel sites integration. Support Cake sites integration. Support Symfony sites integration. Support YII sites integration. Support Lumen sites integration. Support BigCommerce sites integration. Support OSCommerce sites integration. Support Scart sites integration. Support Zencart sites integration. Support any custom sites integration. Languages and CMS and frameworks supported. Affiliate program integration you can create. You can create any integration from the list with any external site/store/product page/landing page/online service that you have access to the code. Any other custom commission with your site or using our flagship e-commerce store. You can control and integrate unlimited sites and unlimited affiliate programs. Vendor in Affiliate. Vendor in Affiliate can see their own network tree on their dashboard. Vendor in Affiliate can find his invitation link on his dashboard and use it to invite his friends to register, and this way the affiliate network will grow, and by that, you can earn more profit for all your network activities. The e-commerce module allows you to manage all your online business in one place without any need to create an online store or any external website, as you can use the included e-commerce store to sell your products and services. One of the most important features is that the e-commerce auto-generates the social media share links for your affiliates without doing anything. A more advantages is that you do not need to work on two systems and synchronize data between two sites, as Germinates gives you the full solution of the e-commerce store and online forms with a full affiliate program in one place. Isn't that amazing? Germinates. How much is all these? E-commerce module. The e-commerce module allows you to manage all your online business in one place without any need to create an online store or any external website, as you can use the included e-commerce store to sell your products and services. One of the most important features is that the e-commerce auto-generates the social media share links for your affiliates without doing anything. A more advantages is that you do not need to work on two systems and synchronize data between two sites, as Germinates gives you the full solution of the e-commerce store and online forms with a full affiliate program in one place. Isn't that amazing? Vendors can upload their own products to our flagship e-commerce and boost the sales with all other affiliates of the system. Imagine that you upload one single product that, for example, 500 affiliates share the link with only 5 friends from their private network and many more. The result can be clicks in one single share. The vendor can set that all his products/banners will be public to all site users affiliate or a specific affiliate group. The vendor can create unlimited physical products in the store. The vendor can create unlimited downloadable products in the e-commerce store. The vendor can create unlimited discount coupons for his products in the e-commerce store. The vendor can display his own orders and logs on his panel and many more features. Sell physical/downloadable/virtual products. A full checkout process includes the most popular live payment getaways. Upload unlimited products. Create unlimited category. Set discounts to your clients by adding a coupon. Add unlimited coupons to your store. Support an About page on the storefront side. Support categories page on the storefront side. Publish checkout form with selected products. Add unlimited forms and share them separately. Add variants to your products. Unique URL links for your e-commerce store. Custom domain name coming soon in next version. Shopping cart. Post back extension. For JavaScript, iframe, and image pixels, there is always the risk that a conversion is lost due to the session cookie being blocked or deleted from the user's browser. While these instances are rare, to ensure that tracking is as accurate as it can be, you can implement a cookie-less tracking backup option where you can manually pass the session click ID to the advertiser landing page, and on conversion, an advertiser can pass the click ID back to the offer pixel to record conversions in instances where cookies are not being tracked. Ads Market Tools Manager. Manage your ads from one tool. Super Advanced Market Tool. Banner Ads Manager. Video Ads Manager. One-click get code to site. Manage your transactions with a recurring manager. Recurring integration with your site/store and our integrated flagship e-commerce store. Set a recurring cycle to any transaction. Set a recurring to any ads you create. Set a schedule for any recurring integration. Play and stop any running recurring transaction. How much is all these? Make a one-time payment for everything at just $67. Hit the button below to have instant access now. Germinates. Marketing Tools Module. It allows you to create an affiliate program integration with any site or use our flagship e-commerce store with a full list of supported technologies. You install ready-to-plug and play plugins to the supported CMS without touching any code and in 5 minutes only. Integrate with unlimited website and unlimited tracking. For other frameworks, you will need to place the integration code manually inside your site header and your order confirmation page as well. We have full documentation for this case. The script comes with a full order API integration library if you need to create your own custom integration. We are offering a custom integration for any case with your site. Just contact us please and we will give you the best offer we can with our service. Recurring extension. Manage your transactions with a recurring manager. Recurring integration with your site/store. Set a recurring cycle to any transaction. Set a recurring to any ads you create. Set a schedule for any recurring integration. Play and stop any running recurring transaction. Set a stopping point to any integration in your site. Set a cron job to the recurring module on your hosting. View a full data of the recurring transaction on the admin wallet. View a full data of the recurring transaction on affiliate wallet. Germinates. Set a stopping point to any integrating on your site. Germinates is the new king in town. Why should you be paying bogus fee for using an affiliate software that doesn't add to your business growth when you can use Germinates and pay a low one-time fee with amazing features? Continuous development that is aimed to boost and explode your business thereby putting more money in your bank account. Isn't that great? Creates ads for your business with confidence, knowing that you will get your return on investment. You can create banner ads, text ads, video ads, and link ads. Set how much you want to pay per clicks and how many clicks you need per affiliate. decide the affiliate you want to work with and group them as future partners. Is it per sale you want to pay for? Germinates got you covered. Pay only when affiliate makes sales. You decide how you want to run your business. You are the $dollar here. Use the unique MLM module feature to attract partners that will work with you for the long-term relationship, as it is a win-win situation that put a smile on faces with consistent commission. Watch as your genealogy tree grows, so does money filled your bank account for a little effort you invested. Germinates. Simple integration instructions on your site. Earnings disclaimer. When addressing financial matters in any of our sites, videos, newsletters, or other content, we've taken every effort to ensure we accurately represent our programs and their ability to improve your life or grow your business. However, there is no guarantee that you will get any results or earn any money using any of our ideas, tools, strategies, or recommendations. And we do not purport any get-rich schemes on any of our sites. Nothing on our sites is a promise or guarantee of earnings. Your level of success in attaining similar results is dependent upon a number of factors, including your skill, knowledge, ability, dedication, business savvy, network, and financial situation, to name a few. Because these factors differ according to individuals, we cannot and do not guarantee your success, income level, or ability to earn revenue. You alone are responsible for your actions and results in life and business. Any forward-looking statements outlined on our sites are simply our opinion and thus are not guarantees or promises for actual performance. It should be clear to you that by law we make no guarantees that you will achieve any results from our ideas or models presented on our sites, and we offer no professional legal, medical, psychological, or financial advice.